Welcome to Review Lab. The best dog grooming kit is probably one of the most essential investments a pet owner can make, especially when it comes to maintaining your furry friend's hygiene and appearance right in the comfort of your own home, saving you time and money on frequent professional grooming appointments while ensuring your dog always looks and feels their best with minimal stress for both of you. Number 5. ONEISALL Pet Grooming Kit. Experience grooming like never before with our ultra-quiet motor. It's designed to be less than 50 dB, ensuring even sensitive pets feel comfortable and relaxed during their spa day. No grooming experience? No problem. This kit is designed for beginners, featuring easy-to-use guide combs and a simple one-touch start. You'll master pet grooming in no time. Our upgraded stainless steel blade is sharp for efficient cutting, yet designed with 3 layers of protection. This ensures your pet's safety and minimizes any risk of injury. Maintenance is a breeze with its removable and rinsable cutter head. A quick rinse is all it takes to keep it clean and ready for the next grooming session. Join over 1.5 million households who trust our product. It's been a top-selling choice for 10 years, loved by pet owners everywhere for its reliability and performance. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming with its long-lasting battery. Plus, it's rechargeable and can even be used while charging for uninterrupted pampering. What we like? This kit features an ultra-quiet motor, significantly reducing noise to keep even the most sensitive pets calm during grooming. It's also designed with beginners in mind, offering easy-to-use guide combs and simple operation. If you're new to pet grooming or have a pet that gets easily stressed by noise, this is a fantastic option to achieve a professional look at home. What people say. The ONEISALL Dog Grooming Kit is a great option for at-home grooming. It comes with a powerful yet quiet motor, making it suitable for anxious pets. The kit includes various attachments for different grooming needs, such as trimming, dematting, and deshedding. The cordless design offers convenience and flexibility during grooming sessions. This grooming kit is designed with a low-noise motor that won't scare your dog. The sharp ceramic blades ensure efficient and safe trimming, preventing accidental cuts. The kit is also lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Number 4. ONEISALL Professional Dog Grooming Clippers 676 Pro. Tired of clippers struggling with thick fur? Our professional grooming clippers are designed to handle even the toughest coats with ease. Achieve a perfect trim every time. It comes with 4 durable metal combs and sharp stainless steel blades for precise styling. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. With a long 4-hour runtime on a single charge, grooming is more convenient than ever. Designed for a stress-free grooming experience. Its low-noise operation ensures your pet stays calm and comfortable. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its IPX7 waterproof design. Simply rinse it under water for hassle-free maintenance. Stay informed with the clear LED display. It shows you the remaining battery life and charging status at a glance. What we like? Engineered for pets with thick or coarse hair, this professional-grade clipper boasts a powerful motor and durable stainless steel blades. With an impressive 4-hour runtime and an IPX7 waterproof rating, it offers flexibility and ease of use for extensive grooming sessions. If you have a large breed with a dense coat or need a reliable tool for frequent, thorough grooming, this is the one to consider. What people say. The ONEISALL Dog Grooming Kit is a great value for the price, offering a comprehensive set of tools for at-home grooming. The kit includes a powerful yet quiet vacuum cleaner that effectively picks up loose hair, reducing mess during grooming. The various grooming attachments, such as the deshedding brush and clippers, are designed for different coat types and grooming needs, making it versatile for various breeds. Number 3. Veeconn 4-in-1 Dog Clippers Grooming Kit. Discover the ultimate grooming solution for your furry friends. This all-in-one kit is designed to make pet care simple and effective. Experience a powerful 7,500 revolutions per minute motor that tackles grooming tasks with ease. Its low-noise operation ensures a stress-free experience for your pet. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, cleaning is a breeze. You can confidently use and clean it without worry. Designed for beginners and experienced groomers alike, it offers a safe and easy way to keep your pet looking their best. This kit includes 4 guide combs for versatile trimming, a paw hair trimmer, and a nail grinder, covering all your pet's grooming needs. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. This allows for easy maneuverability and grooming anywhere, anytime. What we like. This versatile 4-in-1 kit offers exceptional value, combining clippers with a paw hair trimmer and nail grinder. Its powerful 7,500 revolutions per minute motor ensures efficient cutting, while the IPX7 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning and use in various conditions. If you're looking for an all-in-one grooming solution that can handle multiple tasks and is safe and easy for beginners, this multifunctional tool is an excellent choice. What people say. The ONEISALL Dog Grooming Kit is a comprehensive set that includes everything you need for grooming your pet at home. The kit features a powerful yet quiet motor, making it suitable for even sensitive pets. The cordless design offers great flexibility and ease of use during grooming sessions. Number 2. ONEISALL Dog Clippers and Paw Trimmer Kit. Introducing the ultimate grooming kit for your beloved pets. It's designed to handle all their grooming needs, from full body trims to detailed paw care. Achieve salon quality results at home with ease. This kit is perfect for tackling thick and long hair, offering adjustable lengths with included guide combs for a customized cut. Monitor power levels with the clear LCD display and choose from 2 speed settings for optimal performance. It's powerful enough for thick coats yet gentle for all your pet's needs. Safely and effectively groom sensitive areas like paws, around the eyes, ears, and hindquarters. The upgraded stainless steel blades ensure a sharp, safe trim every time. Enjoy extended grooming sessions with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. The main clippers offer 2.5 hours of use, while the detail trimmer provides 2 hours, all conveniently charged by USB. This comprehensive set includes the main clippers, paw trimmer, multiple guide combs, a cleaning brush, comb, and scissors. You'll have every tool necessary for a complete grooming experience. Experience the freedom of cordless grooming, making the process simpler and more convenient. It's designed for ease of use, making it ideal even for those new to pet grooming. What we like. Featuring an intuitive LCD display for power monitoring and dual speed settings, this kit offers enhanced control for different coat types and grooming needs. It also includes a dedicated paw trimmer for those hard-to-reach areas. If you have a small to large dog with varying hair thickness and appreciate the convenience of knowing your battery status and adjusting speed on the fly, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. The clippers are quiet and my dog doesn't seem to mind them. The kit comes with different sized guards, which is great for different lengths of fur. The battery life is impressive, lasting through a full grooming session without needing to be recharged. Number 1. ONEISALL 5-Speed Cat Clippers for Matted Hair. Tired of struggling with matted fur? Introducing our advanced grooming kit, designed to make detangling a breeze. With a whisper-quiet 49 dB low noise level, your pet can stay relaxed and comfortable during grooming sessions. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of long battery life on a single charge, ensuring you have enough power for thorough grooming. This kit features 5 speed settings and includes guards, a comb, and scissors for precise and versatile styling. Specifically engineered for long, thick, and matted hair, it tackles even the toughest tangles with ease. Its waterproof design and clear LCD display make it convenient and easy to use, even for beginners. What we like. Specifically designed for cats with long, thick, or matted hair, this 5-speed grooming kit offers quiet operation at just 49 dB to minimize stress. The adjustable speeds allow for precise grooming, even on challenging coats. If you have a feline companion struggling with mats or dense fur and are looking for a gentle yet effective grooming solution, this specialized cat clipper is your best bet. What people say. The clippers are quiet and my dog didn't seem to mind them at all. The kit comes with multiple attachments for different lengths, which is very convenient. The battery life is impressive, lasting through multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.